Once it's determined that the spectrum in the uplink band is clear of interference, specifically interference to the IM3 frequency that we're trying to measure, we will change back to the time trace mode under fixed tones and begin the actual testing of the RF path under consideration. Because we have looked in the alpha sector at the red, white, yellow system measurement and know that it's clear, we can now turn on the RF and begin dynamic testing of the entire RF path. As we go through the system and do our tapping, it's important to remember communication between the person doing the dynamic testing, who may be located at the top of the tower, and the person recording the data, who may be at the bottom of the tower, is clear and has been worked out ahead of time. In this case, we find that the RF path does not have any PIM problems, and so at the completion of the dynamic test, we will record the data to the report, and if we're interested, of course, we can save a plot. Once this is completed, we would move to the next RF path. Again, in checking in the report, we'll see that we've done the system frequency response using the spectrum monitor for this RF path. We've done a pass-fail, and finally we've added a time trace to indicate that the dynamic testing was done and what the results were for each connection in that system.